Well, I think I'm getting a little carried away with this now. I'm going to start insulating the side here with these wood chips. And then I'm just going to cut plywood and stick on there. Using this just to hold it until I get the plywood in there. Well, our tractor camper is finished. Finally got her done. I rigged up a car jack on there, welded it on there so I can just use the drill to go up and down. Got a real heavy cord. Plugged that into the generator. Got my door on, got it insulated. Yeah, my plug box there, I can put a heater on there. My little vent at the back. Got my storage space underneath. Yeah. Watching Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. Good channel to watch. He's got a channel out every day, video out every day. You want to check out his channel? Oh, there's the sticker board. Yep, I'm gonna hook the tractor up to her next. It's going to get cold in the next couple days. I'm going to test it out with my little heater here. So it's going to be minus 8 Celsius. What's that? 17 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to film that. I'm going to test it out and see just if this sawdust does any good or not. Can I heat it with that little heater? I got to wait. It's mild now. I want to wait for a colder day. We got a cold day today. We're going to test this out real quick. I've got one of those controllers on the inside on my shelf there, and then I've got another one for the outside. So I'll be able to see what it is on the outside and what the temperature is going to be on the inside. Okay, here's my weather stations. So this one's outside. It's minus 9, which is I think 14 Fahrenheit. And I took the one from the garage. So now this one here is in the trailer and it's minus 9. So I got it plugged in to the garage. Gonna plug this in. I've got it on low. See what that does. I'll come back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes. It went up 1. We'll check in again. We're at 12 minutes and we're at minus 5. Still -9 out. Getting a little warmer. Well, it's been over an hour and we're at +8. I figured something out here. It's 47 Fahrenheit, +8 Celsius. Now it's getting warmer outside, it's -10. I'm gonna speed things up. That was on low setting. I'm gonna turn it to the high setting. And when I get to a comfortable temperature, I'm just gonna unplug it and see how long it holds the heat. Okay, we're at 11:02, I'm gonna turn it up. Well, we got it pretty warm. We're at 11:24. We're at 19 Celsius, it's, -10 outside. In Fahrenheit is 66 Fahrenheit. So what I'm gonna do now is unplug it and then see how long it holds that heat. So, heat's off. Oh, there's Noel again. Noel's Garden Track and Firewood. That guy's always on YouTube. Snowplow in his yard. Check him out. So, yeah. So, what are we at? 19.2. We're at 11:24. So, let's unplug the heater stop and we'll see how long to drop down. We'll see how long it holds the heat. I'll check back in. Well, it's 11:45. It's been 20 minutes and it's dropped down 5 Celsius. So if I kept it on low and the heater didn't burn out, then I'm gonna be well warm enough. I don't want it too hot and you can't breathe. If I find it too hot, I can always put the heater down there. Well, that's it for this redneck build. We've had too much snow for me to test it out. Now I'm gonna have to wait until it gets milder and the snow goes down. I won't be able to get this in the woods with my tractor or my truck. So it might not be till March I get to try it out. Anyways, thank you.